Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Reeve knives, small Sebenza 21, Spirograph Damascus blade here with me for a review. And as usual, we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. But first of all, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get into this and see. So this guy is around 7-inch long overall, with a 3-inch long blade and a 4-inch long-ish handle. Let's see how this guy compares up against some other small guys. For example, this is the Ontario Rad number 2 and the bigger brother, of course, Ontario Rad number 1. Look at that. So just a little bit probably a tad shorter than the rat number 2, but definitely smaller than the rat number 1. Also, look at this, Spyderco Paramilitary 2 and Spyderco Para 3 in the house to show you that this guy is pretty smaller than this guy, but cutting edge, it's packing more than the Para 3 for sure. What else can I show you? Of course, I have to show you a large Sebenza 21, so that's kind of like how it compares with that. And this is like Spirograph Neon Zero right over here, and of course its bigger brother Spirograph F95R Slim, two fantastic knives from Russia. And you can see that the small Sebenza, it's pretty smaller than the Neon Zero as well. What else can I show you? Of course, let's just, because we have them in the house. This is the Reeve knives, small Sebenza regular website. And of course, look what we have. The bigger brother of that little guy, large Sebenza website. Also, of course, Reeve knives. You want to see a couple other items? Sure. TRM Neutron and of course TRM Atom right over here. So you can see that this guy over here, it's pretty much the same size as the Neutron, but in a much more slim package and much sturdier than this guy over here. And let's do another couple options, pretty popular. You've got your 3.5-inch XM18 Rick Hinder design, and here we've got some goodness over there. Holt Bladeworks Spectre V4, and let's do it up against some other guys. Custom Knife Factory 520, and what else do you guys want to see? Something pretty small that I have here. This is the OEM Rogers design, Bestech made, pretty cool blur pull going on. Something a little bit bigger than that. We've got the TBC Trevor Berger Custom LEXK Plus, and of course just CVV McKenna, because we have it here and I think we are pretty good with size comparison over here. So what do we have here? It's a Reeve knife, small Sebenza 21. You can also refer to my other videos about the Sebenza. This is a small one. It's a special edition because of this really cool Spirograph Damascus blade design made by Devin Thomas in 2011. So it's getting like a little bit of vintage flair to it. It's a titanium frame lock, sandblasted nicely. It's a Nikon, I mean. It's pretty famous. Nice chamfering going on, beautiful lines. It's a classic. Guys, this is the Sebenza 21. I mean, you probably know everything about this. Very simple construction. It's a titanium frame lock, just couple slabs and couple screws and a blade and set of washers, and boom, you have some very iconic knife going on. Of course, there's only one standoff over here. The lanyard, it's gonna go through a pin which is missing here, but it's looking like this basically. So you install this guy, you have to take it apart, and you got your lanyard going on. Of course, there's no lock face insert here, just carbidized lock face. You've got some pretty simple and straightforward disassembly for this guy. Tip-up is, the pocket clip is tip-up carry only, it's not reversible, and it's my only gripe that I have against, let's say, against the Sebenza. I mean, it's nicely designed, it's functional, but it's not my favorite design. I prefer something like this. Even if functionally this is worse than this, because you see the clip ramp right over here, it's very short, but it looks much nicer than this, so it's a kind of like of a trade-off. The blade is the highlight of this guy. I mean, look at this. This is a high contrast Damascus Spirograph Devin Thomas, beautifully made. Of course, you've got your jimping going on, nice crowning up to the tip, beautiful drop point blade, hollow grind, like I would say 40%, 35% belly, straight edge up to the sharpening choil. Absolutely thin behind the edge, it's a beauty. And would you look at the layers of Damascus going on the spine. Look at these waves. Just fantastic. Tip thickness is perfect. Edge symmetry is spot on. Laser sharp. Super slicey. Very cool. Nice everything. Just the logo going on over here. So very sleek, very cool and clean design. The sound that this guy makes when open is just subdued. Very unobtrusive. Really am liking this guy. When you close it, come on, this is almost silent. Very cool indeed, and it's very different than the large version. This is going to be weighed in at 2.8 ounces in your pocket. I don't feel any hot spots in this guy. Maybe a little bit from this area over here, but it's pretty good. There's the right amount of jimping on the blade over here. You can probably do a reverse grip if you don't have like huge hands like I do. It feels absolutely solid in the hand. Nothing is moving. There's no blade play. The finish is stellar. The tolerances are just off the charts. Clip ramp is nice. The tension is nice. It's nicely designed. The clip is very good. I mean, it's just aesthetically not pleasant to me, but it's not a biggie. Deployment speed is on the slow side because, of course, you've just got the thumb stud, so it's not like a flipper. Of course, the thumb stud, it's gonna be introducing a little bit of finger sore after a while, but it's absolutely functional. This guy is running on washers. And in this case, the washers have pockets to retain the grease and to keep it lubed over time. Detent strength in this case is on the medium light side, and it's beautifully done. Nice. You cannot touch the tip of the blade even if you try to jam your finger in it. There's no rattling when shaken. It is just fantastic, no detent ball ramp. There's basically no free fall effect. This is also like brand new. It's tough to find another one like these, and I was pretty lucky to find this guy. But overall, it's a great little knife. You're gonna see this guy sticking around, especially for size comparison, because it's the small Sebenza 21. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.